All right, so well, we're on a bit of a roller coaster
Yes.
because tomorrow's going to dip down.
Right. We're going to turn colder, and when we get these transitions, a lot of times it gets pretty windy. A lot of times we get a little bit of precipitation. So we're going to see
pains.
some aches and pains. Yes, I'm going to show more on that in the next half hour. Let's talk about that wind that'll pick up tomorrow with that change rolling in for our Thursday. And you can see pretty much area-wide we have a wind advisory, and that's going to be from 8 o'clock in the morning all the way through 6 o'clock in the evening. It's going to be windy for all of us, so just plan on those windy conditions going through the day tomorrow. And as far as what you need to know about that, you'll really notice the wind. We'll have gusts up near 40 to 50 miles an hour going from the morning into the afternoon, and that could lead to a few power outages, some branches down. So just something to be aware of. And if you do have decorations outside or if it's your trash day, make sure everything is secure because, again, that's a strong wind and it stays windy throughout the day. Let's look at FutureScan here because along with that stronger wind, we're going to see some rain that moves in. Now, the timing of the rain will be overnight into early on our Thursday morning. So this is midnight, and as we head towards around 3, maybe 4 in the morning, here comes a line of showers. So that's a look at 3. And as that line of showers moves in, the wind will start to increase. And by 6 a.m., I think we'll be drying things out in the metro. Maybe still some rain for Odessa, Warrensburg, Clinton, Sedalia. By 7 or 8, the rain's out of here. We should get the sunshine back. Then the next weather story, it'll be the wind that increases. And you can see here our future wind gusts going through the morning. Wind gusts of around 35 miles an hour. Closer to 45 miles an hour by midday tomorrow, approaching 50 miles an hour from lunchtime through about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. And even at 6 o'clock in the evening, it's still going to be relatively windy. Wind gusts still near 30 to 35 with calmer wind coming in late tomorrow evening. But with that calmer wind, our temperatures will be tumbling through the evening tomorrow. So just a lot going on. Make sure you have the extra layers, even though we're going to get back to about 50 degrees around lunchtime, but we will be falling from there. So 40s in the morning, near 50 at lunchtime, but then our temperatures tumbled through the afternoon, 34 degrees by 6 p.m., wind chills down near 20 degrees at that time. And again, that chance of rain is mainly before 7 o'clock in the morning. After that, more sunshine on Friday. We'll have a stronger south wind, 46 for a high temperature. We're back in the low 50s on Saturday. Mid-40s there for the first day of winter, by the way, on Sunday. And then look at next week, the week of Christmas. Low 50s on Monday, closer to 60 degrees by Tuesday. Wednesday, 60 Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, 62 for a high, and still holding near 60 by Friday of next week. And you're probably thinking, that's pretty darn warm for Christmas Day, right? Here are the top 5 warmest Christmases going back to the late 1880s for Kansas City. And you can see here, 67, that's the warmest. Back in 1922, our normal high, by the way, is 40 degrees. So our forecast, again, lower 60s. So 20 plus degrees warmer than normal. And going beyond the 9-day, this is going to be more than just next week. This trend will likely stick around all the way through the end of the year. You see that bullseye right over the top of us of above normal temperatures.